Hello and welcome to the Atlantic DeFi podcast. My name is Fidel. I'm recording this at 10:22 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. It is Monday, August the 11th, 2025. We're sitting at Bitcoin at $118,964, Ethereum 4,277, BNB at 812.56, Solana at 175, and XRP at $3.15 US. Fear and greed index is 60%, mostly in greed. Altcoin season still not here, 30%. Bitcoin still dominating, although Ethereum has been overpassing in terms of gains in Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about that. Basically, as you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two leading cryptocurrencies, but right now, Ethereum in Bitcoin are attracting a lot of exchange traded funds. So a lot of these banks and private equities and investment firms are buying a lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum because of the ETFs. And now, because in the United States, President Donald Trump has enabled Bitcoin to be in 401ks. I'm not 100% sure if Ethereum is. I don't think it is. I think it's only for Bitcoin. But it's only a matter of time till Ethereum comes down. So they have attracted over $570 million in inflows along bullish trends. So that's something to look up to. In other news that we're going to try, which I think is a little bit more interest, Metamask and Stripe are designing a stable coin. A recent government proposal revealed that Metamask is launching a stablecoin with Stripe. Stripe is a payment platform. It's one of the most wealthiest payment platforms. It's still a private company. It's not a public traded company yet. And again, the governance of Metamask has said that they would like to do that. And it's going to be kind of interesting. Metamask is one of the most used wallets in the crypto space. So if they have their own stable coins, this could be a game changer, especially for payment transfer, because a lot of people like myself that have MetaMask, I could transfer stable coins to different payment merchants and things like that. So that might be something that we'll be able to look for. And in other news, which is not that important, but I want to kind of talk about this. Layer 0 is a layer 2 that started, I think, last year. And last year they launched a coin. And if you stake the news, the Stargate is their, it's kind of like an exchange and, lending platform and different things. Now they are merging together. So basically, you will get, I think, you will get Stargate tokens instead of zero token. So they're offering, oh, sorry, it's my bad. The Stargates are getting layer 0 tokens. Apparently the community is not very happy for it. So they are saying that it's kind of like a flawed fundamental. And this is what you gotta be very careful with in the crypto space. There is a lot of things that how they start. That doesn't mean that's their aim. Their aim is for people to buy tokens or try to use something, but that's not necessarily what they start. That doesn't necessarily mean they're going to pivot. And this is in any startup, but in crypto, you got to be careful because if you're believing long term on a project, you got to be really, really careful and really, really check who is in it, that they are actually think that they're going to do something sustainable. There's a lot of hype, but not a lot of sustainability. And this is what's happening right now. So the community is not very happy and both tokens has gone down quite significantly. So definitely be careful when you invest out there. So if anything, just go to atlanticdefi.com, check out our newsletter on LinkedIn, and peace out.